Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. Well, today is one more unboxing and it won't be real unboxing. Why? Because I already opened it. You in the meantime don't forget to subscribe, press the bell and of course like this video. Like this we will grow our community, we will grow our channel, and for you it's only 2 or 3 clicks. Okay, let's go. I don't need any knife or scissors or something like this because, as I told you before, the box is already open and I just want to show you how's it right. I purchased new violin. I purchased it not because I wanted to have a new violin or whatever. I purchased it because I need it. Also, I'll mention that this video is not promotional or something paid. This is real unboxing of the things that I'm buying for myself, by myself. Though, I don't know if you can see or I cropped it out. The music store, online music store is Thomann. It's a German store. I trust this store. They're packing well, they are always communicating with you. If you have any problems, you can write them. So, but it's not a commercial. So as you see, the violin comes very secure. There is a lot of paper and the box was full of tape, so it won't open accidentally, so I had to cut with the scissors. You can see the edges of the box. A lot of paper, a lot, so the violin won't move. And the violin itself, on the box violin, I'll show you. The box is not very big, yeah, and it's, can you see? And it's Yamaha! So I'm now proud owner of Yamaha violin. Okay, now let's get rid of this huge video and open small box. The model is YEV 105. Why 105? Because it's 5-string violin. So what you have to know, that violin comes by itself without any case. Yeah, so the violin will come to you in the box, so don't expect to have a case. But of course it's very well packed. The violin comes in the baggie, yeah, so this is original baggie, and inside you have many stoppers for violin to not move. Strings though, they were loose, and it's normal thing that they were loose. And of course violin comes with a manual, in case if you don't know how to use it, they are telling you how to do it, and they are explaining you on different languages, so it's not only English there. Now about the violin. This violin comes with the chin rest. Not this one though. Also violin comes with the strings. The strings are helicore. Personally, I didn't like the sound of it. By the way, for those who don't know, a 5-string violin, it's E string, A string, D string, G string and C string. So basically 5-string violin, it's a mixture or hybrid of viola and violin. This violin comes without shoulder rest, but with the chin rest. It has a small button here and like a regulator. When you are pressing the button, you can regulate the volume of the violin, and when you are pressing the button, yeah, so it's in this position, this regulator is not working, so press and you can fix your volume by yourself. You know, this part, like the shape of the violin from the first look might look very fragile, yeah, because I'll be honest with you, when I took out the violin from the box and I saw this thin wood, curved and everything, I was like, oh my god, I have to be very careful even when I'm breathing next to this violin. But honestly, of course you shouldn't be playing tennis with this violin, yeah, and you have to take care of your instrument. But even though it's look very fragile, it's very strong. The place for the jack, for the cable, yeah, this is what I love in this violin. It's not on the side, it's not on top or anywhere else, it's right under. So if you're using a wireless system like I do, for example, you just plug in the receiver inside, and it's even very hard to see it under, you know. So the place for wireless or for the cable, if you are using cable, it's perfectly well thought. The price of this violin, it's 899 euro. My opinion that it's totally worth of the money. It's a quality of the materials, it's a quality of the sound, it's a quality in the electronics that built in the violin. By the way, guys, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. You know, guys, that usually when I'm doing unboxing of something, I'm doing unboxing and then I'm doing one more review. So I'm thinking after some time I'll do one more review with more details about this violin. Who knows, maybe I'll find something that I don't like. So guys, thank you for being with me today. I wish you have a great day and see you next Wednesday. Bye!